Today I've got for you our 3.5-inch Black Series round LEDs with amber DRL. These lights are going to really help you see down the trail and make your rig look that much better. The pair put out 3,240 lumens and they have a 30-degree spot beam that's really going to pinpoint whatever you're trying to see. Each light has 6 3-watt high-intensity Cree LEDs as well as 6 amber LEDs in the DRL itself. Add to that an aluminum housing that not only looks great, but it's designed to dissipate heat with these fins. But enough talking about these great looking lights. Let's get them installed on this Bronco so we can see just how well they complement the factory round headlights and fog lights. All right, and our mounting location for our LED is going to be right here on top of the factory mirror. Now, this position actually is marked and it says accessory ready, so we know we can bolt it there. What we're going to use is a rough country ditch light bracket or spacer. What this is going to do is fill the void left by the factory hardware. We're going to drop it in place, and what it's going to do is make sure that the lower bracket of our LED does not mar the finish of this mirror and that the load is spread evenly and ensure that that light's not going anywhere. It's a simple product, but it's a necessary one if you want to do the job right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this bolt out, and then we're also going to take this bolt out so we can pop the hood, pop this cowl up, and route our wiring under the hood. Once we do that, we'll put the cowl back in place, we'll put our rough country ditch light bracket in place, and then we'll mount our light. Now the lights come with a full wiring harness, including a 3-way toggle switch. You can run that into the cab wherever you want to, or with a little bit of wiring expertise, you can add it to your upfitter switches if you've got those. We'll leave that up to you. All right, we've got our wiring ran, we've got our cowl resecured. Now we're going to take the rough country ditch light bracket spacer, put it in place, and secure our LED light. And that's how simple it is to install the 3.5-inch Black Series LED with amber DRL using the rough country Bronco ditch light bracket. Passenger side is going to be the exact same as the driver's side. I won't bore you with that, but let me go ahead and install it, and we'll turn them on and see how great they look. So if you're looking for an exceptional lighting option that won't break the bank, take a look at Rough Country's 3.5-inch round Black Series LED with amber DRL. It's a universal product, not just specifically for the Bronco, although those ditch light brackets are. You can find both of them at roughcountry.com.